Welcome to the latest edition of Obesity Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks, brought to you by Lucid Quest. In major news from Novo Nordisk, CagriSema has topped Ozempic in the REIMAGINE 2 trial. This 68-week efficacy and safety trial in type 2 diabetes found that CagriSema, a combination of cagrilintide and semaglutide, demonstrated greater reductions in HbA1c and more significant weight loss compared to Ozempic. These findings, especially in high-dose cohorts, may influence prescriber choices and payer reviews, pending the full data release. In other news, Pfizer's Phase 2b VESPER-3 trial of their ultra-long-acting injectable GLP-1 receptor agonist, PF3944, has shown promising results. The trial, which includes approximately 54 patients per arm, found that the drug produced up to 12.3% placebo-adjusted weight loss at week 28. This trial is still ongoing, with results expected to continue to 64 weeks. As data continues to emerge, this may affect future prescribing patterns and formulary access. Viking Therapeutics is advancing its oral VK2735 obesity treatment with a Phase 3 trial expected to begin in Q3 of 2026. This update came alongside the company's fiscal year and Q4 2025 financial results, outlining plans to expand their pipeline with oral formulations and maintenance dosing trials. This marks a significant step forward for Viking's obesity program and signals continued investment in obesity therapeutics. Novo Nordisk also updated the market on Wegovy vials and device strategies, noting that it plans to explore Wegovy presentations, including vials, with some launches in 2026. Although specifics on dose ranges and markets have not been provided, this update is expected to impact prescriber choices, especially in light of increasing competition such as Eli Lilly's Zepbound offerings. Turning to South Korea, biosimilar developments are gaining momentum as patents for major biologics, such as Keytruda and Dupixent, are set to expire. South Korean companies, including Samsung Bioepis, Celltrion, and Cheongkun-dang, have outlined timelines for the development of biosimilars, targeting these blockbuster drugs. As these patents expire through 2030, increased competition is expected to impact pricing and formulary access globally. Biocon has also shared its plans for a generic obesity drug rollout. With patents for semaglutide and liraglutide set to expire in some markets in 2026, Biocon is looking to launch a generic version of liraglutide in the US in the next financial year's first quarter. There are also plans for future generic semaglutide launches in Canada and other markets, depending on regulatory approvals. This move introduces significant competition, potentially affecting pricing dynamics and access to these important weight loss medications. A new development in the GLP-1 market comes from Shanghai Shilin Pharmaceutical, which is working on a semaglutide nasal spray for weight management. The company aims to complete global clinical trials by 2028, providing a new modality for weight management with the active ingredient found in Wegovy. While details are still sparse, this development signals a commitment to expanding treatment options in the obesity space. Lastly, Myanmar has announced the local production of semaglutide, with the launch of Seglupac, a semaglutide-based treatment for weight management. Produced by AA Medical Products Limited and Pacific Medical Industries, this move aims to address local affordability and supply needs. While regulatory details and distribution scope remain unspecified, this marks a significant development in the region and could impact pricing and market access for obesity therapies. Stay ahead in obesity research, like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@